Yeah, a couple of more shots on the Kong 6810. Try to visualize the sound of this. The volume is not super high in the room. In fact, it's sort of quiet. This thing is very loud, and it is still already singing kind of. Nothing except for the guitar cable between the inputs, jack and this is of course in between, but it's fully transparent. It's what the word is, I can't remember. Random playing, sorry. I think it sounds fantastic, actually. Yeah, okay, that single coil is making noises. Other than how hard you pick, it can vary quite a bit. And reducing the guitar volume just a bit. Okay, this is the way I set up the amp. I think it's good to have the presence quite low, actually, just like you would on I would anyway, on a Marshall. Okay, let's stop there again.